As one of 50/50 joint venture in China, Dongfeng Cummins Engine Company, DCEC, was established in the year of 1996, producing Cummins B, C, D, L, Z series mechanical and electronic engines, covering 3.9 to 13 liters engines with the power from 20 to 600 kilowatts. DCEC engines are widely used in energy, maritime, automotive, construction machinery, water pump set, and railways applications. DCEC Marine engine power range covering from 47 kilowatts to 253 kilowatts. Emission standard can reach up to IMO Tier 2.
Hello everyone, this is Leona from SeaMac. In this video, I will introduce DCEC Dongfeng Cummins 6CTA8.3 series marine main engine. Dongfeng Cummins 6CTA8.3 series marine main engine is a 6-cylinder inline engine. The displacement is 8.3 liters. The overall dimension of the Dongfeng Cummins 6CTA8.3 series marine main engine is 1,494 mm by 796 mm by 1,228 mm, and the net weight is about 636 kilograms. DCEC Dongfeng Cummins 6CTA8.3 series marine main engine comes with BYCPB pump and equipped with turbocharger and water-air intercooler. The emission standard of Dongfeng Cummins 6CTA8.3 series marine auxiliary engine can reach to IMO Tier 2. The power range covers from 138 kW to 191 kW, with rated speed from 1,800 to 2,328 RPM. The standard Dongfeng Cummins 6CTA8.3 series marine main engine comes with following accessories: fuel filter, oil filter, starter motor, air filter, flywheel,
SeaMac provides abundant optional items, mainly including spring starter motor, hydraulic starter motor, hydraulic clutch, spark arrestor tap muffler, digital engine control lever system, and other customized accessories. With a professional and experienced engineering team, SeaMac also provides customized modification services for all of our customers, such as water-cooled exhaust manifold, water-cooled turbocharger, dual starter flywheel housing, keel cooling system, etc.
Committed to providing premium propulsion system and power system for all kinds of ship all around the world. SeaMac is a sub-brand of eMac that focusing on maritime application. SeaMac's ranges of products are Marine main engine, cover power range from 50 horsepower to 5,000 horsepower. Advanced gearbox. Marine propellers. Electric control lever system. Marine generator set and marine auxiliary engines. All kinds of other marine accessories. All SeaMac's products are approved by CCS, and some of our products able to provide BV, LR, ABS, DNV, and GL, RS, and other classification societies.
Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact SeaMac at any time. For more detail about our company, products, and service, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.seamac.com.